This is Jayashree Tarot Reader, and many people have been asking me to know about how 2022 is going to be, because the life has been full of twists and turns, work from homes, financial gains, and many things are happening around you. So I'm going to use a 3-card session to really show you for the Simha or the Leo how the year is going to be. I have taken a card for the career. So the card is Ace of Cups. So career is going to move very forward. Forward in the sense it's going to be a lot of appreciation, people accepting you. There's going to be a lot of help when it comes to the work. Like, you have to be really open in 2022 to accept the changes. That's the only thing you need to do. Sometimes it could be a roller coaster ride, little bit frightening, but just hold on. 2022 is going to be a fabulous year when it comes to career growth, improving, moving into the next team, or upgradation in your work, or getting a promotion. It's going to be really good. So hang on where you are staying. Don't think of moving around or even changing. So it's going to be a really good year ahead. Now let's see what the card says about financial terms. So Queen of Wands is there. Now Queen of Wands usually signifies that the money is going to be a little bit tight. You really think before you invest. You have to really think before you are going to spend, because suddenly by the spurt of the moment you might like to spend, which may not be very useful to you. So be careful, and in terms of expectation from your career, with regard to the finance, it's going to be a little bit on the lower side. Anything sudden change which happens, it's going to be a bonanza. And things might tighten after June. You have to be really careful. And also you might get, probably after June, there's going to be an attraction of enemies or oppositions or competitors, which is going to make your life little bit tough and challenging. I would say do some rituals to clear the energy and make your birthday very, very successful or happy, because what happens on the birthday will reverberate throughout the year. So I would suggest financially be cautious, careful, don't listen to people, think twice before you invest. Now let's see what the cards hold for you for the relationship. The relationship is going to be the King of Wands is the card. Like, you will be very aggressive and you will be very pushy. In 2022, you might need an aggressive stand, because it will help you to really have a very clear thinking. Because people will like to take you for granted, and when you are going to say yes for everything or no for everything, it's going to be very difficult to make a clear-cut decision. So 2022, you will be very aggressive. If you have not been aggressive so far, I would suggest become a little bit aggressive and slowly say what you think, or be clear in making a decision, because ultimately what you decide, you will become very, very responsible. And after June, you have to be very clear with whom you are mingling. You have to really check on with the people, because you are people oriented in 2022. You are going to get connected with the right people, or with the very successful and powerful people. 2022 is going to be good and fabulous. If you are going to connect with the people who are not very successful, or who are struggling in a career or work, it's going to be really challenging, because as they go down, they can pull you down. So be careful, connect with the powerful and strong people, successful people. Take a mentor who will guide you in your decisions. Then 2022, you can sail across. Be cautious after June 2022. Things might swing little bit on the negative side. This is a very, very specific reading. This is a very, very generalized reading. So if you want a very specific reading, do contact me for a private tarot session. Thank you.